Hey cooks, today we're going to use the Instant Pot and make penne pasta with sausage and peppers. This is a really great dish that you can dump and go. You pretty much put it in the Instant Pot and within 30 minutes you're on the table and you're eating dinner. And it is absolutely delicious. I'm Amy and I am on a mission to become a better cook. Hit the subscribe button below to join me. Now let's make my penne pasta with sausage and peppers. The first thing we're going to do is this is the Instant Pot Ultra. You can do this in any electric pressure cooker. We're going to move this over to saute. If yours doesn't have a saute function, you can just heat it up just without the lid on and there'll be no pressure in it. So I'm just going to do this on medium. We're going to hit start and we're going to go ahead and let this heat up. Here we go, cooks. I have some olive oil here. We're just going to drizzle a couple tablespoons of olive oil here in our Instant Pot. And I'm going to put some chicken sausage. This is actually Hillshire Farm hardwood smoked chicken sausages. They're like shaped like this. You get them in your supermarket. They have turkey. They have all kinds of different flavors. I actually love the chicken hardwood sausage. And sometimes it's hard to find. A lot of stores don't carry that one, but they definitely carry, most stores carry turkey. And we're just cooking these. We're going to be pressure cooking, but we want to brown them a little bit. And this is a sausage that I really like. It's chicken hardwood smoked sausage from Hillshire Farm. This comes in a turkey, in a kielbasa, all those kinds of stuff. But I'm always hunting this down, and there's only a few stores that I can get it at. But you can use any kind that you like. Okay, so we have a little browning started. So I'm going to go ahead and take the sausage out. Oh my. Looks delicious. Ooh, and smells delicious.
That's good right there with some eggs.
Yeah, just make an egg, right? Eat that. Cook you up a quick tater. That's what I'm talking about. Put a little tiny bit more oil in here. I have a diced onion, kind of just have a medium size. You don't want one that's too big. And we're just going to saute this so this starts getting translucent. That's delicious. Okay, I have one yellow bell pepper and one green bell pepper that I've cut into strips. One of the reasons I'm using this color is just because the sauce is red. So I want some peppers that's different color from the sauce. So I didn't get red. I got yellow and green. And we're just going to saute these up and soften them up a little. Woo! So those are softening up. I have like 3 cloves of garlic that I minced. And we're going to put those, we're just going to saute those off for about 1 minute. Then we're going to turn the cooker off. Okay, I almost forgot. I haven't turned off the saute yet. The garlic has been sauteing for about a minute. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I buy this Cento tomato paste, double concentrated. It comes in the tube. I really love this stuff because if you just have a can, you open the can and then now you got to find something to store it in. This, you just put the lid on and put it in the refrigerator. So I'm going to put like 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste in here. Put our little lid back on here. And we're just going to saute this just slightly. We got that going. That's just to get, you know, the flavor on the vegetables. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. We're going to put our meat back in here. The reason I do that is I don't want to overcook the meat. So we just saute the meat off, and then we're putting that back in here. Yum. That is delicious. So I got a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. You can get these with garlic and Italian flavor in it too. Doesn't really matter. Just a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Yeah, they're not drained, so we're using that as part of our liquid. I have 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. This is Penzeys Tuscan Sunset. It is my favorite Italian seasoning, but you can use your favorite. So that's 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of granulated garlic. We're going to add some salt. We're going to have to salt and pepper this to taste really after, but I'm going to put some in there now. Because we're not using a jarred sauce, this is like just straight tomato. Oh my gosh, looks delicious. We're going to put in 10 ounces of penne pasta. Yay. And we're going to put in a cup and a half of water over the top of this. And believe it or not, this will actually cook our noodles. So we just want to bury the noodles in here, get this all mixed together, and we want those noodles to be in there under the water, under the liquid. Ooh, man. I'm going to tell you, this pasta is fantastic. It is absolutely fantastic. So we got all that under the water, just like that. Right? On goes the pressure lid. So we're going to switch this back up to pressure cook. And we're going to input the time of 10 minutes. Yeah, you got that right, 10 minutes. And we're going to hit start. So this is going to come up to pressure. It's going to cook for the 10 minutes. When it's done, we're just going to leave it for 5 minutes. So it's going to go on to a keep warm setting, and we're going to wait 5-8 minutes. We're just going to let it sit here, and it will naturally release some of the pressure out of it. After that 5 to 8 minutes, we are going to release the rest of the pressure, and we will have us some seriously good penne pasta. So we'll be back. Okay, we're getting ready to have our valve pop up. There we go. And so it's going to cook for the 10 minutes. And when it's done, we will let it naturally release. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We've had it on the keep warm setting. It automatically switches to that, where we just let it naturally release for the amount of time, and now we're ready to go and release the rest of the pressure. There's still a lot in there. Yay! Okay, we're ready to open it up. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. Wow. This pasta is beautiful. Every single time that I make it, it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that. Whoops! Just beware that it's warm. Look at that. Oh, This is a beautiful dish, guys. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's serve us up a plate of this beautiful pasta. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Every time I make this, I'm just like, this pasta is amazing. It's beautiful colors. It has, the tomato is just like rich. So after this cooks, I would salt it to taste. I put quite a bit in there, so wow. Let's make it beautiful, okay? Eric always says, why are you fussing with it?
If it was me, it'd be half gone by now.
So we're going to take a taste. Just adjust the salt how you like it. I put quite a bit and it doesn't seem like I need any, but you might need some. If it's a little bland, just raise that salt level up a little bit and it'll totally change the dish. So I make this all the time and I love it. It's delicious. The pasta is perfectly cooked. 10 minutes with 5 on the natural release. Get some of the sausage. It is so good. The peppers sort of permeate the whole dish and it gives it a little bit of that bell pepper taste, but it's not, you know, it's not spicy by any means. It's really, really flavorful. Here's a...
So it has a little bit of Southwest taste because of the peppers, but with all that Italian seasoning,
yeah,
it balances it.
I wouldn't even call it Southwest. I just call it delicious. It's definitely Italian style, and particularly, you know, some of it is the Tuscan sunset. That's a really delicious spice blend. You see, I keep eating it. It's so good. So, cooks, we got a penne pasta dish right in your Instant Pot. You could get this done in 30 minutes and have it on the table. It is absolutely fantastic. This dish is delicious. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at AmyLearnsToCook.com. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at AmyLearnsToCook. And join my Facebook group at facebook.com/groups/AmyLearnsToCook. We talk about everything cooking related. We talk about the Instant Pot, everything. So join us. And you can also find me on Instagram at Cooking with Amy. You're going to love this dish. It's President's Day! Yay!
Yay! All right, now be quiet.
So today we are making penne pasta with
Sausage.
Oh. Hey cooks, on the show today we're going to use the Instant Pot. What the is that?
Probably the garbage guy. All right, now that we've been rudely interrupted by the garbage truck,